If you're wondering how to tune your guitar or the best tuner guitar app, then this full lesson is designed to teach you the fastest and most effective way to tune a guitar. Plus, I'll provide you with my recommendation for the best guitar tuner app. And if you stick around to the end of the video, I have a free bonus for you. Hello and welcome to the Rock Dojo. My name is Brian Parham and I'll be your guitar sensei. I created the Rock Dojo to share the positive power of rock guitar with kids. I want to send a special shout out to those of you who are part of the Rock Dojo community. Your support helps me share the positive power of rock guitar. If you're not part of the Rock Dojo community, hit the subscribe button. It's free and you'll never miss a lesson. So if you're getting ready to rock out on the guitar and your guitar sounds like this, then I have the perfect solution for you. First, download Guitar Tuna. It's free and it's easy to use. Once it's installed, we're going to start with the E string. As you can see, it's tuned too low, so I'm going to turn the tuning peg towards me. Until the light lights up, telling you it's in tune. And as you can see, it is now in tune. Moving on to the next string, the A string. This time it's too high, so I'm going to turn the tuning peg away from me. And the green light has lit up, so that means we're good to go on the A string. One thing that I should mention is if you're having trouble figuring out which tuning peg belongs to the string, you can just take your finger and trace it along the string. So now I'm on the D string. So Eddie Ate Dynamite, Goodbye Eddie. G string. And now we are ready to rock. And now it's time for the free bonus. If you click on the link below, I have a free guitar course for your kids, providing them with an amazing foundation for playing the guitar. And if you have a question about this video, leave it in the comment section. I just might turn your question into a future video. And don't forget to subscribe. It's free and you'll never miss a lesson. And remember, every guitar master was once a beginner. The more you practice, the better you will become. Rock!